D475A-5SD Dozer stands at 12th position, engineered for exceptional productivity in mining and heavy construction on challenging terrains. Weighing 108,390 kilograms, its Super Dozer blade enhances production by 15%, significantly lowering costs per yard. Powered by an 890 HP SAA12V140E3 engine, it delivers outstanding performance. Key features include an automatic torque converter, palm command joysticks, and electronically modulated steering clutches for precise control. The spacious hexagonal cab provides excellent visibility and comfort, with advanced air filtration and low noise levels. The K-bogie system enhances stability on uneven ground, while centralized maintenance points ensure easy servicing, making the D475A-5SD a top choice for demanding environments. The new Caterpillar D8T Dozer boosts dozing productivity by 18% without increasing fuel consumption, moving more material in less time and reducing costs per ton. Its fully automatic 4-speed transmission simplifies operation, allowing operators of all levels to achieve optimal efficiency without manual gear shifts. Integrated grade technology options enhance work quality from the first pass to the finished grade. The D8T's 87,733 pounds of weight and dimensions, 15 feet 2 inches length, 10 feet 11 inches width, 11 feet 3 inches in height, ensure stability and performance in rugged terrains. The Dozer's advanced features, including automatic ripper control and emissions reduction technology, make it a top choice for demanding job sites. Next on our list is the BEML BD475-1, a powerhouse designed for rugged terrains, offering outstanding productivity and reliability. Weighing 91.38 tons and featuring a high-potency Cummins QST30 electronic engine with 642 kilowatt power, it excels in dozing and ripping tasks. Its stress-absorbing undercarriages provide mighty traction and extend service life. Fuel economy is maximized with an automatic lock-up torque converter and a 2-speed cooling fan, while the tandem pump system reduces energy consumption. The unique modular design facilitates easy removal of powertrain components without oil spillage, minimizing downtime. Operator comfort is enhanced by a well-sealed cab with excellent noise suppression, large panoramic windows, and an extra-low profile for dynamic stability, making it an ideal choice for demanding environments. The Dressta TD-40 is engineered for extreme terrains and climates, operating efficiently from minus 50 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. Its robust design includes a modular hydrostatic fan drive cooling system and a rugged undercarriage for smooth, stable operation and unmatched durability. The TD-40E Extra, with a 515 horsepower Cummins QSK19 engine, and the TD-40R Extra, with a 530 horsepower Perkins 2806F engine, offer powerful performance while meeting stringent emission standards. The Dozer features a unique 2-speed steering drive for continuous power transfer, ensuring efficient load retention through turns. With lifetime lubricated rollers, heavy-duty chains, and idlers, the TD-40 ensures extended track life and lower operating costs. Its ergonomic cab design, exceptional visibility, and easy serviceability make it the ideal choice for demanding construction and mining tasks. Next, marvelous, is China's most formidable construction machinery, the massive Shantui SD52-5 Bulldozer. It is powerful and eco-friendly due to its Cummins QSK19 engine, which meets Euro 3 emission requirements. The high-pressure hydraulic system improves operational performance by reducing the bulk of hydraulic parts. The ergonomically designed heptahedral cab of the SD52-5 provides ample room for the operator and excellent sight. With a capacity of 18.5 cubic meters, its semi-U blade is ideal for challenging terrains, and the single shank ripper provides exceptional penetration for jobs such as rock stripping. The Bulldozer is perfect for heavy-duty mining and construction jobs thanks to its modular design, which allows for easy dismantling and fast maintenance. The John Deere 1050J Crawler Dozer comes at number 17 and can comfortably traverse the most challenging terrains because of its massive 85,817 pounds. It has an electronic fuel management system and is powered by a 12-liter 6-cylinder engine that is Tier 3 approved. At 1,600 RPM, it produces 335 net horsepower. The full-featured hydrostatic drivetrain allows for power turns under load, infinite speed control, power management, counter rotation, and dynamic braking. The 1050J guarantees top-notch output with its maximum net torque of 1,254 pounds at 1,400 RPM and drawbar pull of over 116,000 pounds. Its heavy-duty chassis and 11.5-yard, 159-inch semi-universal blade enhance its dependable construction and mining capabilities. Our 18th pick is the largest model in Liebherr's current lineup, the PR764, displayed at MinExpo. Its 422 horsepower, 310 kilowatts comes from a turbocharged Liebherr D8T V8 engine that uses joint rail fuel injection. Weighing 116,150 pounds, or 52,608 kilograms. It features a 17.8 cubic yard, 13.6 cubic meter semi-U blade and a single shank ripper, making it a powerhouse for demanding terrains. The PR764 boasts a hydrostatic travel drive, ensuring constant engine speed for exceptional fuel economy and uninterrupted power transfer, even when turning. The ergonomic cab provides a high level of comfort and visibility, and the controls are designed to be effortless. The PR764 is dependable, efficient, and powerful, making it perfect for challenging tasks. Coming in next on our list is the International TD-40, a game-changing piece of agricultural gear that debuted in 1932 as a trailblazing diesel tractor from IHC. This classic crawler tractor features a robust 461 cubic inch engine with a 4 3/4 by 6.5 bore and stroke. Its unique gas start diesel system automatically switches to diesel after a set number of engine revolutions, enhancing operational efficiency. Known for its durability and reliability, the TD-40 remains a cherished piece of engineering history. With its spare engine and complete radiator and hood, this vintage machine continues to symbolize innovation and strength, making it a valuable addition for enthusiasts and collectors in challenging terrains. These bulldozers, ranging from the ACO Super Bulldozer to the International TD-40, are the pinnacles of heavy machinery, engineering, and innovation. Each model, with its distinct features and capabilities, is intended to handle the most difficult terrain and tasks. Their power, efficiency, and operator comfort improvements set new industry standards, ensuring productivity and reliability. As we commemorate these engineering marvels, we appreciate the combination of history and modern technology they represent. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button if this video enthralls you, and if you want to see more incredible heavy machinery in action. Thanks for watching.